Hi, this is Derek with the Kids S.A.F.E Foundation. I want to do a quick unboxing and install video on the new Radian Afterburner Ramjet. And so we're thankful for the opportunity to actually represent Radian. They've come on board as one of our new sponsors. And so they sent us some of these Ramjets that we're going to use in our classes. And so I want to kind of show you what it's all about. And so, part of the unboxing, I really like the way they represent the product. And inside there, you'll see the Afterburner, and you also see the Ramjet. So this is a compensator. It's made for the Glock handgun, and this is going to be going on a Glock 49. And so in the box, you'll get the barrel assembly. You also get the compensator as well. You'll also get a bit that's used for your driver, so you can install the tapered screw. And so what I'll do is just kind of pop this thing out, show you what it looks like. And I originally shot these back in October when I was at an event, and so I really like the design. I like the way it helped manage the recoil, makes the felt recoil quite a bit lower. And so you'll see there's a tapered set screw right there, and that's the first step, is to install it. You just got to remove this tapered threaded screw. And once you have it backed out, the installation is really pretty easy. And so that's the set screw there. And then once I can just kind of rotate the barrel, and the compensator comes off just like that. So you have three parts. You have the set screw, you have the compensator, and you have the barrel. And so pretty nice setup here. And so I have a Glock 49 that's going to go on. So I'll show you that the gun is clear. There's nothing in the gun. And so we're safe. And so point it in a safe direction, press the trigger, and then what I do is I pull back on the slide about 1/4 inch, and then I pull down on the tabs, and then the slide comes off of the lower. And so what I do there is go ahead and pull out the recoil spring, and I do have a threaded barrel, so I will need to remove the thread protector first. This is an agency barrel. I do like the agency barrels. They make a great product as well. And so what I'll do is set that aside just like this. And then once I'm ready, I can just, take the Ramjet and the Afterburner and just kind of seat it into place just like this. And then the compensator just kind of rotates into position just like that. And then once I have it in place, then I can reinsert the set screw there. And as I tighten the set screw, it aligns everything and makes sure everything is locked into place. And so I'm just doing that real quick. And so now I have hand tightening it. And so, basically, and I'll put my guide rod back in there, make sure that's locked. And now I have the completed ported barrel. And so that's what it looks like. And so to reinstall it on my Glock upper, what I do is I go ahead and make sure I align those rails and just kind of pull it to the rear, slide it, and then make sure everything is set just the way I need it. And so you can find out more information about this product on the Radian website, and I'll put a link in the show notes here. And also you can find out more information about the work that we're doing on our website, kidssafoundation.org. So thank you to Radian for your support of our program.